In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a bounce-up text effect. After setting up your text, go to the Effects panel and type Transform. Under the Distort folder, double-click on the Transform effect to add it to the text layer. Position the text to where you want it to bounce up. Now move the playhead to where you want the effect to start from. Add a keyframe, press Shift and the right arrow key to move 5 frames forward. Add another keyframe and move 5 frames forward and add a third keyframe. Go back to the first keyframe and move the text out of the screen. Now move the playhead over the second keyframe and change the position of the text where it is slightly above the ending position. Now let's see how it looks. Good. Now for the final touch, I will add motion blur to it. Uncheck the Use Composition box and change the shutter angle to 360. Now let's see the difference. You can see the motion blur added to it, which looks good. Now I will add 2 keyframes and move the text out of the screen. Perfect! Let's add a bell icon beside the subscribe text to make it more appealing. Add the transform effect from the Effects panel. Changing the position of the bell icon. To make the color of bell icon white like the text, go to the Effects panel and type Drop Shadow and double-click to add the effect. Scroll down to the Drop Shadow effect and change the shadow color to white. And check the Shadow Only box. Also, change the opacity to 100%. You can see that the icon color is turned white. Now I will create the same bounce-up effect for the bell icon. Now let's see how it looks. Perfect! And that is it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.